Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to quickly install the driver for the ALFA Wi-Fi adapter on Kali Linux. These Wi-Fi adapter actually Kali Linux compatible, so if you want to purchase them for Wi-Fi penetration testing using Kali Linux, Parrot OS or Arch Linux, I will include the link under the descriptions. So these are Amazon affiliated links, so it would help me grow my channel if you're using the link under the descriptions to purchase the Wi-Fi adapter. As you know, these Wi-Fi adapter actually using the Realtek RTL88XXAU series controller, so it essentially using the same driver for Linux. I'm not sure about Windows or any other different operating system, but for Linux they're using the same Wi-Fi driver. And with that, let's get started. So first thing you're gonna do is open up the terminal, and as always the first thing you should do is you should do a apt update command to make sure that all your packages is up to date. And because I run it recently, there should be all the packages should be up to date. And if you do run the apt update command, you should also run the sudo apt-upgrade command to make sure that all the packages is upgraded. And with that, we're gonna run the sudo apt install to install the Realtek RTL88XXAU DKMS. And if you currently plug in your Wi-Fi adapter, make sure you disconnect it. We're gonna reconnect the Wi-Fi adapter right after we're installing the driver for them. And with this tutorial, assuming that you have Wi-Fi, internal Wi-Fi already connected to the internet, or you have like Ethernet adapter actually connected to the Kali Linux, or if you're using Kali Linux as a VM, so you should be able to have the internet bridge with your host adapter. So for this tutorial, assuming that you already have internet on your machine, and that's it, you already installed the driver for the Realtek RTL88XXAU. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna connect the Wi-Fi adapter. And if you have the Wi-Fi adapter like the ALFA AC600, the LED indication light on the Wi-Fi should be flashing right now. And we're gonna go to the Wi-Fi icon. As you see right now, it's listed the Realtek 8812AU controllers under Wi-Fi adapters. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you think this tutorial is helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye bye.